I'm a Christmas Bow Wow!
Welcome to Bobby's Animation Club. Today we're going to draw a dog with a Christmas scarf and a Christmas hat on. So with your dog, start with one big circle for the head. And then the shape of the body, you can kind of do like that, and just curve it. At the end. And then we're going to put in details for our dog into it. So we're going to give him big puppy dog eyes. I'm going to draw on his nose. Like that. And then we're going to draw the other eye on the other side. Then as always you can draw in a letter C, or you could draw in your own kind of shape for the eyes. We're going to give him eyelids as well. And then we're going to draw in a nose on him here. Like that. And then we're going to draw in the end of his head here. And then we're going to edge out this way here to the edge of your circle. And we're going to put some ears on the side of them as well. But first we're going to just draw in another kind of a Santa hat. Now we've been drawing Santa hats for the last while, so you can draw your own kind of Santa hat with this. Well, with this we're going to put his ears kind of coming out from under his Santa hat, like that. And then we're going to do another ear coming out on the other side. And then we're going to draw his Santa hat, have it go into a pint, like that, and then you can draw in just a little circle for the end of it. That's the face of your dog. So then we're going to have a go at maybe drawing a scarf on your dog as well. Have the scarf kind of hanging over as well. And you can do little shapes just at the end of your scarf, like that. Have it go in, you can have it go kind of slightly behind the big circle you have. And then we're going to do another one kind of going in over here, behind his body as well. And have that join up there. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put some legs on our dog. So bring it down the centre there, just to show you. And then you can draw his feet, kind of cartoon feet, like so. And I'm going to give my dog 3 toes. Why not? And just to draw leg going up. Then we'll have another leg somewhere around here. So just bring that outside your circle a little bit. Again, I'm just going to give him 3 toes. And then the back of your dog, just where that scarf is there. Just make that maybe a little bit more curved. Bring it out, the shape of the foot. So 1, 2, and 3. So 3 toes there. And then on the other side, we're just going to have his foot sticking out over here, going in like that. And then you can give your dog, if you want to have his tail maybe sticking out as well, you could do that too. Like so. This is the shape of your dog, and I've probably did a bit curved here, maybe just to bring that line back in. And you could also do kind of a circle on his body as well, like so. And then his scarf, you can add in any kind of detail you want. Today I'm just going to put a few stars on his scarf. And again, just a few stars like that. And you can just fill it up with as many stars as you want. And then, like always, you can go over everything with a black marker as well, or black twisty. So give it a go, have fun with it, and see how you get on.